Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford Escape SE. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2017 Ford Escape SE, a stylish and versatile SUV that is ready to take on any adventure. This vehicle comes equipped with a wide range of factory default features that are sure to impress. Let's take a closer look. Under the hood, the 2017 Ford Escape SE boasts a powerful four-cylinder engine that delivers impressive acceleration and fuel efficiency. The engine is paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that provides a comfortable and responsive driving experience. Inside, the cabin of the 2017 Ford Escape SE is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The seats are upholstered in high-quality cloth, and there are plenty of storage compartments and cup holders throughout the cabin. In terms of technology, the 2017 Ford Escape SE comes equipped with a range of features to keep you connected and entertained on the road. The infotainment system includes a 4.2-inch touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, USB, and auxiliary. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, window defogger, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.